Hi there! Are you looking for Pilates classes in Paignton, Torquay or Newton Abbot? Well, we offer classes across those three areas, which we would be delighted to invite you along to a free taster session with us. All you need to do that is just click on the link and put your details in and we'll get in touch with you. With our Pilates classes, we aim to help those who are feeling stiff, achy, inflexible, or what the ladies normally say is I'm not feeling bendy enough. Anything like that, or if you're feeling stressed or overwhelmed or suffering with anxiety or even depression, then our classes are suitable for you and they will definitely help you to feel a lot better and move better. So we cater for complete beginners to people that have done Pilates before. So it really doesn't matter if you're a complete newbie because we will take you from scratch, and we offer all sorts of variations for different people. So we have people that have had hip replacements, we've got people that have had bone cancer. So we deal with a wide variety of clientele, and not one exercise fits everybody, so we do modify quite often, and it's quite normal within the classes, so that we can make all of our classes accessible to everyone. So again, if you would like to come along to a free taster session, all you need to do is just click on the link below and we will get in touch to get you all booked in. So classes in Newton Abbot are here at the studio on St Mary Church Road, which is just next to Plant World, so on the back road between Newton Abbot and Torquay. The ones at Torquay are at Spires College, which is next to the football grounds, and the ones in Paignton are at Old Way Primary School. So those are the three venues that we have. And then if you are in Plymouth and you're watching this, we have also got classes in Plymouth. So if you have any questions, please do get back in touch with us, and I look forward to hearing from you. Our email address is info@elitepilatesservices.co.uk. So, oh, by the way, I'm Tanya from Elite Pilates Services.